Hey! This video, simple as it might seem, is turning this into this. So really, all this is a sticker, basically. So I took the old one off. Basically, all it's holding it on is double-sided tape. I tried to pull this one off and kind of save it, but you can get badging later on. But I really wanted a blacked out looking bike, so that's what I'm doing. Basically, you gotta find an edge. The best way you can find it is just pry up on it a little bit. This one actually came off easier. As you're prying, literally just with your fingers, slowly pull around. I'm almost there. And voila, it's there. What's even cool about this piece is I actually machined this in there. That's what I love about it. I think it looks better black, especially if I got a dark horse. So anyway, that's it. Basically, you peel this off of this. Later.